Stay Grubio Namaga children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today we are going to see 9th standard state board maths. The topic is coordinate geometry. Okay, chapter 5 exercise 5.2. Okay, the continuations we are going to see. Okay, show that the following points taken in order form an equilateral triangle. Okay, so equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal in a triangle. Okay, see here A, B, C, all the sides are equal. Okay, so what is the vertices? Here 2 comma 2 and B minus 2 comma minus 2 and C minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Okay, see here we are going to find all the sides distance. Okay, distance of all the sides we are going to find. Okay, first AB equal to, write the formula children. What is the formula children? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, here the A coordinate is 2 comma 2 and B coordinate is minus 2 comma minus 2. Okay, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute the value here children. So here x2 minus 2 minus 2 minus x1 2 to the whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus y1 2 the whole square. Okay, so root of minus 2 what you will get children? Minus 4. So minus 4 the whole square plus minus 2 what you will get? Minus 4 the whole square. Okay, now minus 4 the whole square what you will get children? 16 plus 16 plus 16. Okay, so 16 plus 16 you will get 32. Okay, so how can you write this 32? 2 into 16. Okay, so 2 into 16. Okay, the square root of 16 is 4. So 4 root 2. So the distance of AB is 4 root 2. Is it clear children? See, next we are going to find the distance of BC. Okay, so write the coordinates. B coordinates minus 2 comma minus 2 and C coordinates minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Okay, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay children, so find out the distance BC equal to root of x2 minus x1. Here x2 value is minus 2 root 3. So minus 2 root 3 minus x1 minus 2. So minus into minus what you will get children? Plus 2. It becomes plus 2. The whole square plus, okay, and here y2 2 root 3. Okay, then see here minus and this minus 2. So minus into minus it becomes plus and 2 the whole square. Okay, so now I am going to rearrange this. Okay, minus 2 root 3 plus 2 I am going to write 2 minus 2 root 3 the whole square plus here also you should rearrange. Okay, 2 plus 2 root 3 the whole square, because I am going to use the formula of a minus b the whole square and a plus b the whole square. So what is the formula children? A minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here a equal to 2, b equal to 2 root 3. Okay children, So I am going to substitute here. Root of, okay. So here a equal to 2. So first a square. So 2 square minus 2 into a value 2, b value 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 the whole square. Okay. Next plus and this one. Okay. Here 2 square plus 2ab, 2 into 2 root 3 plus b square, b value 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 the whole square. Okay. Square root of 2 square, what you will get children? 4 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3 the whole square. Listen here, 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. So 2 2s are 4, root 3 into root 3, what you will get children? 3. Okay. So 4 into 3 you will get 12. When we square this, what you are getting children? 12. So 12 plus 2 square 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 root 3 plus 12. Now we should add here 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12, what you will get children? 16. Okay. So root of 16 and minus 8 root 3. See here 4 plus 12, what you will get? Plus 16 plus 8 root 3. Okay. See here minus 8 root 3 plus 8 root 3. So cancel this. So what is remaining? Root of 16 plus 16. So 16 plus 16, what you will get children? Root 32. Now I am going to split this. How I am going to split? 2 into 16. Okay. The square root of 16 is 4. So 4 root 2. So BC equal to 4 root 2. Okay children. Next I am going to find the distance of CA. Okay. So what is the C coordinate? C of minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3 and A of 2 comma 2. Okay. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now substitute the value here children. Root of x2, 2 minus, here minus of 2 root 3. So minus into minus plus, this minus and this it becomes plus. So plus 2 root 3 the whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 2 root 3 the whole square. Okay. So now it is in the form of a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 2 root 3. Okay. Square root of, just expand this, a square. So 2 square plus 2 into 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 the whole square plus here 2 square minus 2ab. So 2 into 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 the whole square. Okay. So 2 square, what you will get children? 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3 the whole square, what you will get children? 12. We already did here. Okay. 12 we got it. So while squaring this, what you are getting? 12 plus 2 square 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3 the whole square, what you will get children? 12. Very good. So 12. Okay. Now you add the number 4 plus 12, what you will get? 16 plus 8 root 3 plus 4 plus 12, 16 minus 8 root 3. So cancel these two numbers. Okay. So what is remaining? Root of 16 plus 16? 32. How we are going to split this? 2 into 16. Okay. So 2 into 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 root 2. Okay children. So the distance of CA is 4 root 2. Now see here, AB equal to 4 root 2, BC equal to 4 root 2, CA equal to 4 root 2. All the sides are equal. So therefore, AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 4 root 2. Therefore, the given points form an equilateral triangle because all the sides are equal. Is it clear children? See the next one, question number 5. Show that the following points taken in order form the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay. See, this is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay. So, we are going to find the distance of AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay. So, first you find AB. Okay. So, write the coordinates of AB minus 3, 1. And B minus 6 comma minus 7. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So the distance equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. So AB equal to root of, so x2 minus 6 and minus x1 minus 3. So minus into minus plus 3. Okay. So whole square plus y2 value minus 7. Here minus, here 1 is there. So 1 the whole square. Okay. So minus 6 plus 3. What you will get? Minus 3 the whole square plus minus 7 minus 1. So what you will get children? Minus 8 the whole square. Okay. So minus 3 the whole square, what you are getting? So 9 plus 8 minus 8 the whole square, 64. When we add this, what you will get children? Root of 73. So the distance of AB is root of 73. Okay. Root 73. Next we are going to find BC. Okay. Write the coordinates. B coordinates minus 6 comma minus 7 and C coordinate 3 comma minus 9. Okay. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So BC equal to root of x2 minus x1. Here x2 is 3 minus x1 is minus 6. So minus into minus plus 6 the whole square. Okay. Then plus y2 minus 9 and minus y1. y1 value minus 7. So minus into minus plus 7 the whole square. 3 plus 6 what you will get children? 9. 9 square plus minus 9 plus 7 minus 2 the whole square. Root of 9 square 81 plus minus 2 the whole square, you will get 4. So 81 plus 4 85. Root of 85. So the distance of BC equal to root 85. Okay. Next we are going to find CD. Okay. So C coordinate is 3, minus 9 and D coordinate is 6, minus 1. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, substitute here CD equal to root of x2 minus x1. So 6 minus 3 the whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus of minus 9. So minus into minus plus 9 the whole square. Okay. Root of 6 minus 3, what you will get children? 3. 3 square plus minus 1 plus 9. What you will get? 8 square. 3 square 9 plus 8 square 64. So when we add this, what you will get children? Root of 73. So CD equal to root of 73. Okay. Next we are going to find DA. Okay. So take the D coordinates 6, minus 1 and A coordinates minus 3, 1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the distance of DA equal to root of x2 minus x1. So minus 3 minus 6 the whole square plus y2 value 1 minus of minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 the whole square. DA equal to root of minus 3 minus 6. Minus 3 minus 6. What you will get children? Minus 9. Okay. So minus 9 the whole square plus 1 plus 9 2. 2 square. So minus 9 the whole square, what you will get children? 81. 81 plus 2 square 4. 81 plus 4 you will get 85. So DA equal to 85. Okay. Now we found all the distance. AB equal to root 73, BC equal to root 85 and CD equal to root 73, DA equal to root 85. Okay. Now compare here. AB and CD values are equal. See here. AB and CD are opposite side. These two values are equal and these two values are equal. Okay. So AB equal to CD equal to root of 73 and next BC equal to DA equal to root 85. So opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Is it clear? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.